Yummy, delving into deliciousness. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to unwrap the flavorful world of the English phrase, yummy. If you've ever wondered about its meaning and how to use it in conversations, you're in for a treat. Yummy is an informal word in English, often used to describe something that tastes really good or is very delicious. It's an expression of pleasure or satisfaction when it comes to taste. For example, these cookies are so yummy. I had a yummy pizza for dinner. The word yummy is believed to have been derived from the word yum, which is an onomatopoeic word. Onomatopoeic words are words that sound like what they describe. When people eat something delicious, they might naturally make a sound like yum, indicating their enjoyment. Over time, yummy evolved to describe the quality of something being delightful to the taste. To truly grasp a new word, it's always helpful to see it in action. Here are some example sentences with yummy. 1. The chocolate cake was so yummy that I ate 2 slices. 2. If you're looking for a yummy dessert recipe, I can share mine. 3. She makes the most yummy homemade ice cream. While yummy is a popular word to describe tasty food, there are many other words in English that can convey a similar meaning. Some of these include delicious, tasty, scrumptious, delectable, mouth-watering. That wraps up our delightful journey into the world of yummy. Next time you try a dish that tingles your taste buds in the best way possible, don't hesitate to use the word yummy to express your pleasure. Happy learning, and may your meals always be yummy.